Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video here on Free Will Photos. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can mask the AI no noise into your image. This comes by request of one of the viewers of the channel. His name is Derek Crook. He was asking, now that the plugin version is built into ON1, it appears that the layers masking capability went away. But I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing that you would do if you had the plugin using ON1 Photo Raw 2022. So let's dive into the computer. All right, so here we are inside of the computer. We're looking at a photo of a bird I took in my backyard. And if you look over here to the right-hand side, you'll see that this is actually set for the ISO of 25,600. So this is really high up there. We'll zoom in a little bit. You can kind of see the grain here. So we're going to make a good copy of, just masking in. I'm going to mask in half of this just for demonstration purposes, but that way you'll get the idea of the technique. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hit the duplicate layer icon. All right, this is going to give us two copies of the same image. So I'm going to label this no noise, and then I'm going to label this one noise. All right, that way I know which layer is going to be which. So we'll come over here to the no noise. I'm going to turn off the top layer because all the noise is still going to be on that one. Right, so I'm going to click on the bottom layer where I want to do the noise reduction. And then I'm going to click on no noise. And I'm going to let that do its thing. I'm not going to mess with any of the settings here. I'm just going to let this kind of run its course, which, you can absolutely make your changes. You can see it cleans up the photo. The right side is no noised, and then the left side is with the noise that came in the photo. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. All right. So now this version of the image is completely noise removed. But as soon as I hit the review or the little turn on the layer for the layer with all of the noise, it's going to bring back all the noise. Well, I don't want that. Instead, what I'm going to do, and again, you could do your gradient or your masking however you want. I'm really just doing this for demonstration purposes. So what I'm going to do is click right here, and now you can see that half of the image, because I am covering up, I'm masking on top of the noised image. When you paint with black, it hides that image and shows the one that's below it. So now I have my no noise version over on this side. And let me just go to my zoom tool. That way you can see the separation here. And if I zoom in, you can kind of see the transition happens like right around there. In fact, let me just make this a little bit more noticeable. So I will drag that line right up to the middle, so that way it doesn't fade as much. And you can see now right down the center of the image here, you can see where there's all this noise on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side there isn't any noise. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can mask your images, or at least no noise, or a background where maybe you don't want to do a whole lot of noise reduction to, and you can have multiple copies of the same image on your layer. One thing to be aware of is when you hit save, this is going to create a on photo file. This is a little bit larger of a file, and the more raw images you make copies of inside of that file, the bigger it gets. So just be aware of that. But you do have the option to make whatever you need to right here inside of ON1 Photo Raw using the layers, and you can mask all that in. If you got questions, leave it in the comment section below. Mr. Waffles is talking about something, I don't know. And if you're new here, my name is Chris. I create content centered around ON1 Photo Raw. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button if you got any sort of value out of today's video, and check the description box below. I have an email list completely free. You sign up for it, you get free presets to ON1 Photo Raw, or you go over to freewillphotos.com and sign up completely for free using your Google account, and you can download some stuff there. I'm slowly updating that website, but that's a good place for you to get plugged in and follow. So until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.